How to find keywords for your blog SEO. Let's get into it. It's very simple, and we're going to use a tool that can be used for free, or you can also purchase a premium version, but we don't need that. So let's go to SEMrush, then keyword magic tool, click there, enter your keyword that you want to rank. It has to be any related keyword. Make sure that you are ranking in the country where you want to rank, and then go on and watch all of the options that are given to you and see which ones are better. An easy way to find easy keywords to rank is to just use the keyword difficulty tool, which is right there, and then you can see the volume, the keyword difficulty. Also, you can see the trend, whether it's going up, going down. Also, the relationship to that. For example, here you can see how nutrition can be broken into so many things like cream, protein, fats, bar, powder. You can even see the intent of the keyword, whether that is informational or transactional, and you can add them to your list if you have a premium account, but I don't have that, so I'm just gonna copy and paste that into an Excel sheet. Now here's how you rank for that keyword. Choose only one keyword, no more than, and make sure to include it in your title. It also has to be in one of the headings. If you can, add it in two of the headings and spread it throughout your article in a way that comes out naturally. You want the reader to feel like it's just blending in right, like you didn't even have to think about it. Not that you were just trying to fit in the keyword as many times as you possibly could. And another way to keep ranking your articles is to also be sure to include sources that you can trust, places like PubMed or Harvard University or whatever benchmarks that make sense for your brand. Something that is relatable and something that is reliable. It is very important to give your blog post some authority and to keep ranking your blog posts. And that's where good copy comes in, because you want the reader to be completely into it, feeling engaged with your copy and what you have written, and actually want to share it. The more they share it, the better for your blog. So I hope this quick tutorial has helped you in any way, shape, or form. If you would like to have your blog done for you, you can always reach out to me and my team, and we will be super happy to help you. We have helped so many bloggers rank their content out there on the Google ranks, so this is just a quick tutorial to help you along with your journey as a blogger. Hope it helps. Have a good week.